back to my YouTube channel, and I am in my kitchen, and usually for dessert I eat these Red Door cookies. No, not today. Today I'm gonna eat these cookies, and you see the little dots on them? Look at the difference. No, this is not a difference. That is like 10 out of 10. Now let's try it. And I think they're called Lucky Charm cookies. Let's see if it's good. And I love Lucky Charms. This is good. 10 out of 10. Alright, so if you want to buy it, like and subscribe. Peace.